Okay, first graders, how are you feeling about your 10 buddies? Do you feel like you know them pretty well? I hope so, because today, if you know your 10 buddies, it will help you so much. Math will be a lot quicker today if you know your 10 buddies. So let's do a quick review, shall we? Let's look here. If I have 1, how do I turn it into 10? I need 9 more. Good. How about 2? How do I turn 2 into 10? 8 more. Ooh, I'm going to go out of order. We could finish the pattern, but I'm going to see if you know them. Let's see. We'll start a little bit easier. If I have 5, what do I need to turn it into 10? Another 5. Okay, we use our hands for that. That's easy to visualize. Okay, what about if I have 7? What do I need to make 7 into 10? I need a 3. Well done. How about 4? I need a 6. Okay, and then we can look at other ones. I have 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1. Okay, those are our different 10 buddies. And of course, there's always 10 plus 0 or 0 plus 10, because we know when we add 0, it doesn't change the number at all. Okay, now that we have those in mind, let's see how we can do with explaining what different numbers mean. Ooh, that didn't want to erase very well. Okay, if I have the number 12, do you know what the number 12 means? We have a little 1 here. What is that 1 representing? That 1 is showing a group of 10. Okay, and then what's left? We have 2 1s. So when we see the number 12, we know it means a group of 10 and 2 more. That's pretty easy to notice. Okay, and that stays true with any of the numbers from 11 up to 19. So 19, a group of 10 and 9 more. 10 plus 9. Okay, thinking through the other ones, 17, a group of 10 and 7 more. Let's do all of them. So let's start with 11. 11 means a group of 10, because we just came from the number 10, right? And 1 more, because we counted 1 more from the group of 10. 12, group of 10, 2 more. 13, group of 10, 3 more. 14, group of 10, 4 more. 15, group of 10, 5 more. 16, group of 10 and 6 more. 17, a group of 10 and 7 more. 18, a group of 10 and 8 more. And 19, a group of 10 and 9 more. And I bet you can figure out what 20 means. It's a 2 and a 0, because it's not one group of 10, it's 2 groups of 10 and nothing left. That's what the 0 is saying. The 0 is waiting, holding that spot for more 1s to come along. So why does that help us with our math? Well, if you know your 10 buddies and you know what those teen numbers mean, then math today, it's going to be really simple for you to do some subtraction, again, thinking a little bit about addition as we go. So let's look at some problems and see how we can do. Okay, so I'm going to erase that. We're going to look at a 10 frames here. So if you want to use your 10 frames as you work today, that might be a really good idea. Make sure we can see those numbers. Okay, so I have a question for you. It is 13 minus 9. Okay, so the question is 13 minus 9. Okay, so what is the part that you already know? Did you say 9? If you did, you are right. Okay, so the part we know is 9. So let's go ahead and put out 9. 9 goes up to here. Okay, there's 9. Now we're going to think about how making a 10 can help us find our missing part, because we know we want to go to 13, right? The whole was 13, but I only have 9 right now. Okay, so my first goal is to think, do I know what 13 means? Okay, what does it mean? A group of 10 and 3 more. Well, right now I just have a 9. How do I turn 9 into a group of 10? 1. But what does 13 mean? A group of 10 and 3 more. Well, now I have my group of 10, and then I need 3 more. So if I know a 9 becomes my 10 by adding 1, and I know my 10 becomes 13 by adding 3, then I know 1 plus 3, or 4, is my missing part. 1 and 3. 1 piece to make a 10, and 3 more to get it to 13. Okay? A little bit abstract thinking. A little tricky on the brain. But again, if you know your groups of 10, that's going to make it a lot easier. Let's try another one. What if we have 12 minus 8? Okay, so there's my 8. We have the part we know. 12 minus 8. So I show the part I know. There's my 8. Now I want you to visualize what I would need to make it into a 10. What would I need? 2. Good. And then if I have it up to 10, looking here, I know 12 means a group of 10 and 2 more. So once I get to 10, I still need 2 more. Well, what's 2 plus 2? 4. So it should be that 12 minus 8 equals 4. Let's see if that's true. There's 12. If I take away my group of 8, I'm left with 4. Okay. So knowing our 10 buddies and knowing what the numbers mean can help us find the answers very, very, very quickly. Okay, let's look at a few more together. Okay, what if our question is, what is 13? Oh, we already did that one. What is 11 minus 9? 11 minus 9. Okay, what's the part we already know? Okay, 9 is the part because 11 is the whole. So I'm going to show 9. Okay, there's 9. And I have to know, what does 11 mean? It means a group of 10 and 1 more. So how do I turn 9 into 10? I can think it in my head. 9 into 10, I need 1. And then this tells me I still need 1 more. So 1 to make it a 10, and 1 more than that. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 11 minus 9 is 2. There's 11. If I take away that 9, I'm just left with the 2. Right? Okay, let's do a couple where we're just thinking about it together. Ready? What if we have 12 minus 7? 12 minus 7. What does 12 mean? A group of 10 and 2 more, right? Okay, so 12 means a group of 10 and 2 more. And right now I have 7. How do I turn 7 into my group of 10? 7 and 3 to make it a 10. But we don't want just 10. We want 10 and 2 more. So there's my 2 more. 3 and 2. What's my missing part? 5. Let's try another one. What if we have, oh, I'm going to do it a little bit tricky. You ready? Okay, 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8. Okay, what does 17 mean? A group of 10 and 7 more, right? A group of 10 and 7 more. So we want to make our number 8 into a group of 10 and 7 more. So we turn 8 into a group of 10 by adding how many? 2. Okay, so now we have our group of 10, and what do we need? 7 more. So there's my 7 more. There's my group of 2, or here, I'll do it that way. Group of 2 and 7 more. Group of 2 to turn it into a 10 and 7 more. How many is that? 9. Okay, so 17 minus 8 would be 9. Okay, I hope that's making sense. I know this one's a little bit tricky, but I think if you're really understanding what the numbers mean and you know your groups of 10, it's not too bad. So just think about those patterns, keep practicing those ways to make a 10, and keep recognizing those patterns in the numbers and what they actually mean. Okay? Happy learning. You've got it.